How are you, my dear friends? I think you are fine at your home. My dear, this is the book of Grade 8 Math. I am showing you the text of mathematics. Look here, you can see first topic is a rational number. You know about rational number? A rational number which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Okay? Later we will go through blackboard and my dear, there we will see how we can write a rational number. Okay? Yeah. A number which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are any integer and Q is not equal to 0. Example: 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, etc. What are you looking? You are looking here, these such type of number are rational. My dear, I am taking you on a number line once. Suppose here is a 0. 0 is also an integer, neither positive nor negative. So right side of 0 is a positive integer and left side of 0 will be negative. Take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. So what are you looking? These all are integers. Integers. Okay? Here is a positive, and this side negative. Positive integers and negative integers. You are looking, counting numbers, you know very well. 1, 2, 3, 4 are natural, including 0, we can say whole number, and in the left side of 0, all are negative integers. My dear, we can write all these integers in the form of rational number by giving denominator. See how? Suppose 0. Is 0 is an integer, a rational number? Pardon? Yes, it is. We can write 0 over 1. It is a rational. In this way, you can write here minus 2 by 1, 1 by 5, and 1 by 6, etc. These are rational numbers. So clear, it is a rational number which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are any integers and Q is not equal to 0. Yes? Okay, we will move ahead in the properties of closure. First is a closure property. Okay? Yes, I have to erase it. Okay, I am going to erase. Yeah. Yes, first is a closure property. Closure property. This is closure property. In this property, we will look addition, subtraction and multiplication of the rational number become rational. What I said you? Closure property tells us the addition, subtraction, multiplication of the rational number always be rational. Okay, you can write it. Okay, you have to write the definition by listening me. Okay, this is also achievable. Okay, yeah. So I said you by addition. Suppose 3 by 4 plus you can take minus 1 by 2. What will be result? So 3 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2. Very easy. LCM will be 4. 4 divided by 4 gives 1 and 1 into 3. Minus 2 divides 4 by 2 times and we will multiply by 2 into 1 gives 2. It means 1 by 4. Is 1 by 4 a rational or not? This is the case of addition. Suppose 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 8. Sorry, here is a addition, then subtraction. What subtraction means? It will also give the rational number. Say how? Here is a 5 by 4 out of 1 by 8. Yes, same way take LCM. 8, 4 and 8's LCM will be 8. 4 divides 8 into 2 times and 2 into 5, 5 to the 10. Here is a minus 10. 8 divides 8 one time, 1 into 1, 1. What is here? 9 by 8. Is it rational or not? Rational. After addition, subtraction, we will go to multiplication. I said you, in the closure property, addition, subtraction and multiplication of two rational numbers. My dear, two rational numbers always will be the rational. How? Suppose 5 by 4 into minus 4 by 8. You can take any. 4 and 4 cancels, cuts, and here is a minus and sign of 5 is a plus. Plus minus 5 by 8 is a additional. So this is the closure property. After that, after closure property, there is a commutative property of the rational number. Commutative. Yes, I am going to erase it. Commutative property. In the same way, just like closure property, you have to understand the commutative property also. Addition, subtraction and multiplication of the commutative property of two rational numbers remain rational. My dear, suppose I am taking some example. One thing, you have to write it. You have to define and show me. Yes, suppose 3 by 5 plus minus 1 by 5. Commutative, that means if we add it, what will be its result? And this is similar. Now I am going to change the side. Minus 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Do it. 5, 3, because denominators are same. 3 plus minus 1. And this side also 5 minus 1 plus 3. 3 out of 1, 2 by 5. In this side 3 out of 1, 2 by 5. Both are same, both are rational. This is the case of addition. Now subtraction. Now subtraction. Suppose if we subtract two rational numbers, certainly it will be rational. 5 by, suppose 8 and 1 by 8. What is result is? I am looking by doing subtraction. Oh, here must be subtract, because we will change the, we are going to change the sign. Suppose here is the 8, 5 out of 1 by taking LCM process, and here also 1 minus 5. What comes here? Here comes 4 by 8 and here comes minus 4 by 8. Is it equal? Is it equal? No. I want to show you on your book's text. Yes? Oh my dear, one thing I want to clear in this property, in the commutative property. I said you addition, subtraction and multiplication. But only if we change the order of the two rational number of the commutative property, in this property, only addition and multiplication of the multiplications and additions result will be same, but you are looking here in the case of subtraction, it don't come same, it doesn't come the same rational number. Yes, look here. Now I want to show you the text of your book. Okay? Yes, commutative property. The change in the order of two rational numbers does not change their sum or product. Yeah, I showed you there in the case of subtraction, it doesn't change, but in the case of addition, sum or product, both come same. Suppose minus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4 gives result 7 by 20. Change in the order, 3 by 4 minus 2 by 5 gives same result. In the same way, in the product of two rational number gives same result here, gives same result. This is the properties of commutative property of two rational number. Later, my dear, it is a associative property. The change in the group of three rational numbers doesn't change their sum or product. The change in the grouping of three rational numbers doesn't change their sum or product. What you are looking? addition and multiplication are associative for rational number. I am going through blackboard. Okay now? Just wait. I am taking. Yes. What are you looking here? Associative property. In this property, we will take three rational number and we have to see the addition and their multiplication remain same or not. Yes, suppose A, I am taking 3/4, B 1/4 and C 3/8. What results gives in the associative property? If A plus B plus C, if what it gives in A plus B plus C, it gives same result of the three rational number or not in the change of the order of the rational number. Just we are going to put the value 3/4 plus 1/4 3/8. Yeah. And here also 3/4 plus 1/4 plus 3/8. Do operation. Take LCM. LCM is 8. 4 divided by 2 times. 1 2 is 2. Yes. You know very well. 3/4 plus 5/8. Overall, here LCM will be 8. 4 divided by 8. 2 times. And 3 2 is 6. Plus 8 divided by 8. 1 time. 5. Here gives 11/8. In this side also we have to do 3 plus 1. Certainly LCM is 4. It will be, and yeah, 3/8. 4/4 plus 3/8. Take LCM. You can cancel 4/4 as a 1. 4 2 times 4 2 is 8 plus 8 divided by 8. Here 3. 8 plus 3 11/8. What you are looking? Both result can same. In the associative property, this is first additions case. Okay. I am showing you on the text of your book. Yeah. Then you will see what you have to read next. Okay? Yes, sir. Yeah, associative property. In the associative property, I said you, it doesn't change the two rational. If we take three rational number in a grouping, the result of sum and its product. Now the term of product of the three rational numbers. Suppose I am taking here A 3/4, B suppose 4/6 and C. Any rational number you can take. 2/8. Take it. Now A into B into C is equal A into B into C. What result comes? I am going to show you. Yes, 3 by 4 into 4 by 6 into 2 by 8. Changing the order of these rational numbers, which is sum. And look here, 3 by 4 into 4 by 6 into 2 by 8. Do operation. You will see here, all 2 are 8. You can cut here. 2 cuts by 2 gives result 1. 1 by 6. In this side also you can cancel. Cut. 3 1 are 3 and 3 2 are 6. 1 by 2 into 2 by 8. Do operation. You can cancel 3 2 are 6. It means 1 by 4 2 are 8 is equal 2 to cancel here is equal 1 by 8. Both are equal. It is clear. In the associative property of 3 rational number in a grouping, if we change their order, the result of the sum and product remains same as rational. But subtraction and division of the 3 rational number doesn't remain same. I will show you these things, this topic in the previous, next classes. Thank you. Best of luck.